In fact, we do have a wind chill advisory in effect for most of the viewing area, except for the immediate coast of Palm Beach County, and this runs through tomorrow morning around 9:10 in the morning. So again, we have that wind chill advisory for the entire viewing area. It runs from tonight into tomorrow morning. With the winds, it will feel like the 20s in some spots, and we'll show you where coming up. In the meantime, though, it's still quite comfortable into southern Florida with temperatures in the low 70s, but notice you can pick out the front right here just north of Orlando. On the back side of the front, temperatures right now are in the 40s, even the 30s. Pensacola stuck in the 30s all day long today. And notice the temperature change behind the front. Some spots we have a 24-degree temperature change compared to yesterday at the same hour. So this front is packing quite a punch. So there's the front right there. You can see it moving across north central Florida. We're not seeing any moisture with this front, just a few clouds. Now the front does move through during the overnight hours tonight. And tomorrow morning, when you're first waking up, this is what it could feel like. It could feel like the 20s from the north side of the lake over towards Vero Beach, anywhere from about 20 to 25 degrees. In the meantime, into coastal Palm Beach County, it could feel like anywhere from 25 to 30 to 35 degrees. So it's going to be a very chilly start to the day tomorrow.